Welcome, welcome to Arts and Cakes. Today I'm going to show how to make a paper rose in hand. Before starting, please like and subscribe our channel. Okay, shall we start?
Take a sheet of paper and fold them. Fold them evenly and you can easily make a square shape. And take a scissor and cut off the line which is marked here. And cut it, then you will got a 2 square sheet. You can cut in the middle. See, we got 2 sheets. You can make more sheets for the flower. Okay, you can see I cut it 6 sheets here, which is I show you how to cut. Now let's make the first petal. See, I take a 1 square sheet. You can fold it here. You can fold it here. See. And now I am again fold it here. See, this to this. I am going to fold this to this end. You can see. And fold it, it became triangle. 2 fold, 1, this is 1 and 2, and then this to this fold. See, it came 3. See, you can see it came 3. See, I make it. Take a pen and draw as you like. What type of petal? I make a round type of petal. See, I make a round type of petal. And now you take a scissor. Take a scissor and cut on the round line. See, I'm cut it. And you see the petal is came. And I now open justice. See, a round shape flower is came. You can make like this 6 square shapes. See, I made 6 petals like this. You can open a 1 petal. See, I take a 1 petal. You can open this petal and take a scissor and cut in the middle. A small shape. And then take another and cut in center. And you got a beautiful flower. See, I cut it all my 6 square shapes into a flower shape. Now you take a 1 rose. Take a 1 rose and take a scissor and you just cut it into. See, I cut it the only 1 petal. You can see I cut it 1 petal. And then second rose, and in that you have to cut into 2 petal. See, 2 petal. See, then the third rose you have to cut it in 3 petals. 1, 2, 3. 3 petals. See, 3 petals. And then next rose, fourth rose, you have to cut it into 4 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 petals. And I'm just cut it. See. The remaining 2 flowers, you can use it for others. Or you can be, some mistakes you have done, you can use that to other flowers. So, okay, now I make the 4 flowers into this. First, take the first petal flowers. Let's take that. See, I'm showing it. You can get this petal in one side. And I took this flower and take a gum. You can use a Fevicol or other gum type. Now I'm just applied into this. You can see it. Now, see, now just apply in that corners and you just fold it. This like you have to fold it. See how I'm showing? You have to fold it like this and just press it the edges. See, a beautiful flower is came. And you can see you having 2 remaining flowers extra. Now I am take 1 flower extra and you can cut it in that. In that you can see this is opening surface. You can just apply it the gum into the side. And you can fold it. I'm sure already you can fold it like this. And just press it. See, first this and then second is we already made it. You have to keep it in that center. This is second. And do all that. See, the 2 petal flower you can take it and just fold it. Fold it and stick it. See, this like you have to came And then you can take the first petal, one petal. This is, we have already separated or cut it, and you can apply some gum on the edge. See, and apply it on the edges, and you just take a, see, and take a stick like this. You can take this petal and just do like this. How I'm doing, just rotate it. Just you can be seeing it, and you, see, I am show how to do. You have to do just that and just fold it. You can be make like this, and I made it. See, I made it all the feathers flowers. Now you have to stick it. See, and take it that first bottom flower and that up flower. You can be see, and you can take a scissor and cut the edge, small hole. It's enough. Now you take the first flower and apply some gum on it, and you just see, and stick it, and then next flower you just cut it in that center. For sticking that only, you can be cutting this like hole, and you can take the sticking flower and just apply some glue, and you just stick it in that center. See, and you have to stick it all those things like this. See, I am going to stick center some glue, and you take the last petal and just stick it on it. See, the beautiful flower. Now you take this like stick and you just bend out the sides. See, our beautiful yellow flower is ready. Must try this at your home. You can see what a beautiful flower has came. You can make it at home. Thanks for watching this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe our Arts and Cakes channel. See you later. Bye.